Our B30 Wide has a huge chamber and therefore a high capacity. Compact various types of waste. Cardboard, shredded paper, paper sacks, newspapers, dry soft plastic. This baler is used in many industries: retail food, retail non-food, industrial companies, storage and logistics. This baler fits through a 2.4 metre door. The B30 Wide has a large filling opening. Most large boxes fit without folding. Efficient retainers keep down the waste material. The low noise level ensures an optimum working environment. The baler has an automatic full light indicator. You open the door with a strong threaded spindle. The baler has automatic bale ejection. Now all waste has been compressed, and you can tie off the finished bale. A knife is mounted for cutting straps. Tie off the bale with either strapping or steel wires. You eject the bale by a safe, two-handed operation. Try our GSM solution. A message is sent to the operator when a bale is ready. A message is sent to the collection company when bales are ready for pickup. A message is sent to the local service company when service is required. A digital auto lock is designed to prevent unauthorized users from operating the baler.